What's up out there, guys? Once again, if you are residing in the United States, happy 4th of July weekend. This is one day, July 3rd, or one day before Independence Day. So hope everyone is having a fun and safe weekend out there. All right, now, today what I'm going to speak on is Wayfair. And I titled this one, Why I Swing Trade Day/Swing Trade Wayfair Stock. All right, so many of you may already know Wayfair is an online store, an online shopping store, somewhat like, I guess you could say, kind of like a discount superstore online where you can basically buy any kind of product you want. And this stock here recently, even though we're in a bear market, it's been pretty volatile here lately. If you look over the past year, it's definitely gone down. It was trading at $286 a year ago, and now it has dropped all the way down to $45, which is an 85% decrease over the past 12 months. All right, so that's 1 year. So if we go back to the past month, you look at these peaks and valleys here, it has been very volatile, which if you're trading, that's a good thing. If you know what you're doing and you're day trading or swing trading and you use the dollar cost averaging method, you potentially can make some decent money doing this with this. All right, so if you look here, on June 8th, Wayfair was down 5%. It continued to drop, and then down here at June 18th, it was down 27%. You go from June 16th over to June 24th, which is 8 days, it actually went up about 25%. So that's a very nice gain in an 8-day period. And then it decreased again. From there, it went down, pretty good drop, down to 27% for the month. And then it came back up on Friday a little bit. And so what I did, let's look at the past week here. What I did was I have a very small investment of $120 right now to illustrate this. I put in $100 on Friday morning. It was valued at $44.36. So I did that, and then it didn't move much at all. So what I did, I put in another $20 around noon, around lunchtime, and it went up a little bit. So right now, and of course the market is closed. It's the weekend, and the market will not reopen until after the holiday, which will be Tuesday, July 5th. All right, so I'm sitting at right now, if you see the gain there, 2.22%. So what my strategy will be, now you can see how volatile it was. This is the 1 day movement. It was very volatile. It went, it was up 5% Friday morning. It came down 5%. It went back up 3%, came down, went back up to 4%, came back down. And like I said, it's sitting at a 4% gain in 1 day, but my gain is 2% because of the timing of my purchases, my fractional share purchase. So I'm not worried about that. But what I'm going to do is, if I'm going to keep an eye on it when Wayfair dips, if it dips another, let's say it dips between 6 and 7%, I'm going to put in another $100, and then I'm going to wait. If it dips another 8 to 10% after that, which I don't know, I don't think it will, but it might, I will then put in $200, because my strategy is the lower it dips, on, especially with a company that has a good track record, a company that you know is going to rebound. When you buy the dip and you do it in increments, what I do is I double the amount that I buy, the amount of shares or the amount of fractional shares I buy. I double it each time, as long as it's dipping. And like I said in my previous video, what this does is it keeps your investment from having to work as hard to gain you a profit. So basically you're buying shares at a cheaper price the more you spend on the dip. You're buying it cheaper, so when it does go back up, it doesn't have to go as far for you to do well. So that's what I wanted to show y'all with this Wayfair. Now, I am not a financial expert. This is not financial advice. I would never tell you to buy or sell any stock or crypto. So do your own research before you invest in the markets. And I plan on keeping this video very short. And if you would, go back and check out some of my older videos that shows you some more of my swing trading strategies. But I stick now. What I'm doing is I'm sticking to this strategy of, investing a certain amount when it dips. And generally I will wait until a stock dips about 15 to 20%. And then I will watch it. And if it goes up, I'll take my profit and get out. If it dips again, I invest more. And if you have any, comments or questions, or if you have a strategy that you use that works well, list that, talk about it in the comments. And I appreciate, and I do really appreciate the comments you guys leave. I love, interacting with you. And also, if you want to get my videos on a daily basis, subscribe and hit that bell so you can stay updated on my future releases. All right. Y'all have a good weekend.